Hey everyone, so as you can tell from the title, this is a ginormous PR haul. It is insane. I have so many boxes behind me and I even have one more on the ground and some really huge ones in my hallway. Whoa, I'm like sitting on my kimono. Let me get my sleeves up. But I have like huge boxes also in the hallway that I'm actually gonna like go out at the end and vlog it with my camera because I cannot carry those boxes. I had to have Joel carry them up the stairs. They were so heavy. So I'm just gonna open them up there and show you guys inside like what it looks like with my vlog camera, just because it's a little bit easier with pregnancy right now. Like, you guys, the bump is real right now. Like, I am exhausted, so that is like gonna be the easiest way for me to get those big boxes to show you guys what's in them because it's really exciting. First off, if you're brand new to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you want to be a part of the Miller Squad. Also, just in case if you didn't know already, but I have a vlog channel called Life of Maddie where I put all my mommy content over there, and I also vlog like mine and Joel's like everyday life, so definitely go check it out over there. I will have that link down below for you guys, but also make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you love seeing hauls. I know that a lot of you guys like seeing all the new launches and all that fun stuff, so I think I'm actually going to separate this video into two parts because we have so many boxes and this video will be forever long. So let's just go ahead and get into it. All right, so first off, I have a package from NARS, and this is the Endless Summer Collection. Ooh, this looks so pretty. You guys, like, water is everything for me right now. I like to just go and sit in the pool. My body feels like 10 times lighter. Also, I know we've been doing a ton of hauls, but don't worry. With a lot of this stuff, I'm gonna do like a first impressions of trying it out, and then also I will be doing mini reviews in my monthly favorites videos, so definitely stay tuned for those. But let's go ahead and get into these. The packaging is everything, you guys. Holy moly, NARS, you killed it with this packaging. First off, let's look at the eye and the cheek palette. This is Hot Escape. All right, so here is the packaging right here for the eye and the cheek palette. Really gorgeous. You open it up, and then these are the colors right there. I have to say, out of this whole palette, what I'm really gravitating to the most is definitely the blush. Like that blush color. This is like a blush color that I would gravitate to on a normal basis. Oh yeah, very pigmented, very, very pretty. I love that cool undertone that it has. Also, ignore my lovely arms right now. I had a really bad sunburn and it's peeling. Next up, I got the Sun Seeker, which is the Lip and Light Duo. Oh, how cute. So it comes with this little duo right here. So first off, you'll get the highlighter, which is Fort de France. It just looks like this. I believe I have this highlighter already, so I'm not going to swatch it. I have it in a bigger size, so this way I can save it for one of you guys. I don't have this pencil though. So this is the Velvet Matte Lip Pencil in Dolce Vita. I love lip pencils. They are so comfortable to wear. Oh, that's a pretty color too. Look at that. I like it how it's a little bit more softer, muted tone. And then we have two more sets here. So we have the Undress 2 liquid lip set right here. Oh, how cool. So you get two different types of lip products in here. So first off, we get Velvet Lip Glide in Bound. Oh, that's pretty. That is really pretty right there. That was a really messy swatch, but that one is really pretty. Then next up, we get the Velvet Lip Glide in Cartagena. I'm horrible. I butcher everything, you guys. Oh, that one's really pretty too. This is not a color that I tend to gravitate to, but it's a really pretty raspberry shade. And then we have Haze, which is their Power Matte Lip Pigment. Oh my God, this is gonna be a color I'm gonna use all the time. I love colors like that. And then the last shade in the collection is Save the Queen. Oh, I'm loving this one even more. I like how this one's a little bit more lighter, like more muted, really pretty too. Oh, I love colors like that. That is a really cool lip set right there. I like that. And then also we have lip set number 1 right here. Oh, this one is the nudes, you guys. So that one is a little bit more of like the mauvey purpley shades. And then we have the nudes, and the nudes are everything. First off, we have Cozumel. Oh, that's pretty. And this one is in that Velvet Lip Glide. The other Velvet Lip Glide that we have is Stripped. Oh, I love that. And then now into the matte one. So we have Antigua. Oh, look at Antigua, you guys. That one is perfect too. I love these. Okay, so, and then we have American Woman. Oh, I love this one. This one has a little bit more of a pinky rosy tone to it. Really gorgeous. Oh my goodness. They killed it with these lip sets right here. Like, they killed it. I love it. Those are my favorite thing. I will have everything linked down below, so if you want to take a closer look at it or where to get it, It will all be linked down there really easily for you guys. I have another package from NARS, and I'm curious to see what this is. So this is the Atomic Blonde Eye and Cheek palette right here, and this one looks really pretty. This is the packaging right here. I swear they have some of the coolest packaging. It's like always so sleek, but these are the shades. Oh my god, these are pretty. I love the bronze shades. Gorgeous. So it's available July 25th, which is in a couple weeks, on Sephora.com, and then it's available in stores on July 30th. But this color, oh my goodness, that is so pretty. That is so pretty. Oh, those are really gorgeous. I can't wait to try those out on the eyes. This one right here is a bronzer shade. It's way too warm and way too dark for me, so I'll probably end up using it as an eyeshadow. I swear, I feel like I'm playing Jenga right now with these boxes. Thank goodness I have Ollie in his bed over here, because there's been so many times where that poor little guy has been smashed by boxes. But I knew that I had one in there that was kind of like towards the middle section, and it was from a Lorac Cosmetics, and I love Lorac, and I was really excited to see what it was, because I haven't gotten anything from Lorac in a while, which means I think I know what this is. So here is the package right here. And again, if you guys have been following me for a long time, you know how much I love their eyeshadow palettes. Like, they are amazing. They came out with the new Pro Palette 4 right here. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to see these colors. Their formula is so good. It is so creamy, pigmented, easy to blend. Anyone can use them. I think they're like some of the best like starter palettes, especially their Mega Pro palettes for December. Like their holiday palette every year, those are perfect palettes for like just to have in your collection, and it's a perfect starter palette too, because they have so many shades. So first off, you get the eyeshadow primer with it, but this is the palette right here. It looks just like their same packaging that they have with all their other ones. You open it up and look at how gorgeous these purple tones are. I love it. This is such a palette that you could use every day, and then you could amp it up for the nighttime, which is awesome. These are palettes that I like. I like palettes that I could use for everyday looks that can be a little bit more neutral, and then I could really like deepen up the crease and make it a little bit more like wabzam for the nighttime for a date night. Oh, okay, amaretto here. So see, they're just so pigmented. They feel like butter. Candlelight. Oh my gosh. There's Candlelight. Oh my goodness. And then, ooh, let's look at Rosebud. Rosebud is more of a muted gray purple. Oh, that's pretty. That is pretty. So honestly, they feel the same as all the other formulas. I can't wait to use that. I am so excited. So yeah, if you guys didn't know, I'm a huge lover of Lorac. Like honestly, they like rarely ever disappoint me. Then I have this other box here. They sent over their Pro Liquid Lipsticks too, and their front of the line Pro Liquid Liner. And then we have a bunch of their lipsticks. Oh my goodness. Okay, so what color should we try? Let's go for the soft pink, because I know that's gonna be one that I'm gonna definitely gravitate to. There it is, really pretty. I believe these have already been out. I hope I'm right. Oh, that's a pretty nude. That is a pretty nude. I hope I'm right on these, because I know I've seen their Pro Liquid Lipsticks, but I don't think these are new shades. Definitely going to be wearing you very, very soon. I definitely have the lip colors that I love to wear and that I think are most flattering on my skin tone, and this is one of them. That's really pretty. I like that. So definitely we'll be using these in a new video, so stay tuned. All right, so next up I got a package from LILAH B, and I don't think I've ever tried anything from LILAH B, so they sent over a cute little card. It says, "Hi Madison, congrats on your little one. Hope you enjoy LILAH B." So I can't wait to check them out. So they sent over this cute bag right here. This is really cute. I like the bag. So the first thing that we have here is the Divine Duo Lip and Cheek. Look at how neat the packaging is. It looks like a little stone, and it's actually really heavy. Like, this thing does not seem like it would be heavy, but it's really heavy. You just slide it. Oh my gosh, so you can use this for your lip and your cheeks. Look at how pretty that is. This packaging is so cool. Oh my gosh. Oh, this feels good. It's very creamy. It literally just melts when you touch it. So you can put that on your cheeks or you can put it on your lips. Now that I'm seeing this, I remember because they asked me what my foundation shade would be. So they sent over B Classic, I believe. Is that the shade name? This is the shade right here for their foundation. This is their Flawless Finish Foundation. So it also has that same type of packaging. Oh my God, you hear that? Look at how, like, this thing is like glass. This is cool. Oh, that is so cool. So it's just a, oh, it feels so silky. It's a powder foundation. Ooh, that's nice. I can't wait to try this out. I'll use that to set my liquid foundation. So this next one is the Palette Perfection Eye Quad. And again, same packaging. And these colors are really pretty. I have to say these are gorgeous colors. Perfect for every day that you could definitely deepen up for a nighttime. Ooh, they feel so like creamy. There is a swatch right there. My poor arm. I'm so sorry, you guys. You have to keep looking at it. It's a disaster. The darker color isn't swatching as well, so I'll definitely have to try that out on the eyes. That is the darker color. It's this one right here, so it's not swatching as well. I'll definitely have to try these out on my eyes and let you guys know what I think about them in a monthly favorites video. Next up, I got a package from Poke. I always wonder, is it Poke or Pokey? I don't know, but I love them over there. They're amazing, Poke PR. So they represent pharmacy, and they sent over Turn Your Bright On right here, which is really cool. Ooh, what do we have here? Oh, look how cool that they did the packaging from the inside. They made it like purple and green. So they have, it's Bright On Massage Activated Vitamin C Mask. Oh, you look nice. So it says a vitamin C clay mask that instantly brightens and helps detox skin by removing buildup and impurities to visibly improve the appearance of texture and tone, which I need. I feel like now that my skin is doing so well, I just have acne scars that are left over from bad breakouts. And that's what I need to clear up. That's really what I'm trying to fix right now is my acne scars, because it'd be so nice to have those gone and just like have my clear face. This next one I'm actually really excited about too, because I see Brighten as well. So it's Brighten Hydrate Balance. This is from Dr. BRANDT. So they sent over the Hydro Biotic. This is the Recovering Sleeping Mask right here. Look at that, very cool. And it's for all skin types. It's a recovery sleeping mask, and you leave it on. That contains a soothing peptide of boswellia and honey and a blend of ceramides. And oh my God, there's so many words in here that I don't know. Ooh, this is what I need. The Bright Biotic Dark Spot Minimizing Serum. Yes, this is what I need right here. So this is a 1-2 punch diminishing the look of existing dark spots while making skin look healthier and brighter. The serum evens skin tone and texture with powerful fruit enzymes from papaya and pineapple that gently peel to fade the look of dark spots. Applied daily. And then we have a triple power ingestible water supplement, and this is infused with goji and mochi berry. So this is the antioxidant water booster. So you basically just put a full dropper in your beverage and you drink it daily. All right, so next up I got 2 palettes from ColourPop, and I haven't gotten anything from ColourPop in the longest time. So I am super, super excited for these. So it looks like they came out with Can We Get You in Vacay Mode? So they came out with like a new collection, and they have 2 eyeshadow palettes in it. They also have 3 ultra blotted lips, which aren't in my package. I only have the eyeshadow palettes. And also 4 Super Shock highlighters, which are $8 each. So these are the palettes that I got. Look at how pretty these are. Oh my goodness, it's the packaging. The packaging always gets me. And I love their eyeshadows. Their like single pan eyeshadows are so good. So let's open this. Oh my God, look at this, you guys. Look at how fun that is. This is not translating as neon as it is in person. This is like a neon coral, like very neon coral. Oh, that is gorgeous. And then we have Mar right here. So that one's Soul. I'm guessing these are blues. Yeah, look at this one. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, this teal one right here, I had a swatch. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, definitely trying these out very soon. All right, so next up I got a package from MAC Cosmetics, and This is the MAC Plenty Pout. They're available July 9th, so they're already out online, and then in select stores July 12th, which is the day that I am filming this. So they sent over 6 of their MAC Plenty Pout Plumping Lipsticks. Then they also sent over their Plenty Pout Plumping Lip Gloss. So I'm guessing this is clear. So I have Kiss and Cuddle, which is definitely a shade that, yeah, you guys know this already. So it looks like this, steel gray packaging. Ooh, they're very moisturizing. I can't wait to try that out on my lips. I really want to try that. So they're not like super opaque. They're more of like a balmy like lipstick that are really, really moisturizing. So they give like a glossy finish to it too. All right, so Too Faced sent over their melted matte metallics or matte-tallics, and look at how cute the box is. Look at how pretty. I'm gonna save these for a swatch video. So I'm even gonna leave them in the box. There are 14 dimensional shades, including 1 magical metal transformer. So I'm definitely gonna do a lip swatch video of these, probably on Instagram, so stay tuned. Here I got a package from Fresh, and it says, Dear Madison, we're thrilled to share our new Superstar Black Tea Kombucha Facial Essence. Perfect for summer travel. It's 1 essential step with 8 proven benefits. Enjoy along with our black tea mini mask. Ooh, okay, so let's go ahead and see what these look like. All right, so here is the Black Tea Kombucha Facial essence right here. Let's take it out. Their packaging is always so simple and just aesthetically pleasing. And this is glass, you guys. Definitely gonna try this out. I've heard amazing things about Essence, and I have yet to try any, so I need to try them out. And then they sent over their Black Tea Firming Overnight Face Mask, which is soothing. So that is right here. And then also their Black Tea Instant Perfecting Mask too. So super cool. Thank you so much to Fresh for sending those over. I love skincare. Skincare is always so much fun. All right, so this is the last package I'm gonna open up for this one, and then I will have all the rest of them in my part 2 of my PR haul. But this last one is from Poke PR again, or Pokey PR. But they said, please enjoy Skin Iceland's new Glacial Spray Lotion, hydrates and strengthens skin's natural defenses while minimizing exposure to harmful daily pollutants. They're solutions for stress. So it's a glacial spray lotion from Skin. That is very cool. And you can get Skin at Ulta Beauty. So it's just a spray. Oh, that's a cool packaging. I like the iridescence of it. That will be fun to try out. Okay, so that is everything that I'm showing in this huge PR haul, just to keep it down to not super long, but definitely stay tuned for part 2 coming to you guys soon. And then also tutorials and like first impressions, trying out the products, and also mini reviews and my monthly favorites of everything that I do not show in like a first impressions video. So I try to show as much as I can. I try to try as much as I can. So definitely stay tuned and make sure to follow me on Instagram. I have my highlights, and my highlights on Instagram are super organized, so you could see everything. So these are my highlights right there. And I have a bunch of different ones, like it's like new videos, new vlogs, new makeup. So if I don't show PR like in these PR hauls, I put it there on my Instagram stories into that highlight. I have new makeup, new hair care, and new skincare. I just like to organize it easily. So if you love to see makeup, you can see makeup. If you love to see skincare, you can see skincare and whatnot. So there's so much there. So definitely follow me on Instagram and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed the PR haul, and I will see you guys in my next video.